Our journey begins above Earth, where every distant mystery starts at home. Terra rises through the atmosphere, watching familiar blue fade into darkness. Past the moon, the solar system becomes a vast neighborhood of worlds. Far beyond our sun, exoplanets orbit stars with possibilities still unknown. New stars form within vast clouds of gas and dust. Near black holes, gravity reshapes the paths of light itself. From afar, the Milky Way appears as one galaxy among countless others. Galaxies gather into groups, clusters, and enormous structures across space. On the largest scales, galaxies trace a web around immense empty voids. Beyond this horizon, what lies unseen, and how will we protect Earth?